Arabic vocabulary. Qalam, pen. Qalam rasas, pencil. Mimha, eraser. Daftar, notebook. Miklama, pencil case. Mibra, sharpener. Kitab, book. Hakiba, bag. Safha, page. Tawila, table. Mikas, scissors. Muallim, teacher. Uktub, write. Ikra, read. Kif, stand up. Ijlis, sit down. Thank you for watching.